Hello, welcome back from Sketchup tutorial channel. Today I want to show you how to make dome light in the V-Ray. You can download this model file from the description. To use the dome light, click on the dome light icon from V-Ray light menu. Place it on anywhere to the scene. And it does not matter if you place the dome inside or outside, the light situation will be the same. To use the dome light, you have to disable the environment in the setting. Let's take a look. And I also want to disable the sun for a while. You can use parallel sunlight and dome light in the scene. But for now, just disable the sunlight. Let's test the render using dome light. I want to change the render output size for faster rendering, as I'm making tutorials. Okay, it looked like we need to make the scene brighter. Let's increase the intensity of the dome light. Adjust the intensity according to the brightness. Don't overdo it. Okay, it looked pretty well for this intensity. Now I'm using default light from the dome light. You can also download the dome light HDRI file from Choa's Cosmo or website. You can see I downloaded the HDRI from Cosmo browser. It is also free. You can import and use it in your dome light. And also you can download it from poyheaven.com for free. There are hundreds of HDRI, you can download it for free. Let's download this HDRI and test it in our scene. Let's adjust some exposure. Let's take a look. To use the HDRI that we downloaded, go to the light menu from V-Ray setting. Click on the dome light. Click on the bitmap option and select the HDRI that we downloaded. Now you can see the HDRI in the dome setting. Unfortunately, the map is for night scene. So let's head to evening scene. You can select and download day map too. Now let's get back to the scene. Without artificial light, the evening scene will look like unrealistic. Let's add the light. I will add the sphere light to the lamp. Let's take a look. Sometimes it is hard to adjust the size of sphere. Don't mind it, we can do it in the setting. Let's move the sphere to the middle of the lamp so that light can spread naturally. This step is in material. Now just take a look. It is important to make this step. If not, light can't penetrate the lamp. Okay, let's adjust the intensity and color of the sphere light. Change the unit to radiant power. Now you can see the results. Okay, let's go for final rendering. I want to add some element for the light for render. Let's take a look. In the Light Mix tab, you can adjust the intensity of the light. Let's take a look. Now the dome light section is over. Thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe for more content from my channel. Love you guys.